Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Exness. We'll start by covering the essential prerequisites you need to have in place before attempting the connection. Then, I'll walk you through the specific account types and settings required for a smooth integration. Finally, we'll dive into the detailed, step-by-step process to successfully link your accounts and begin trading. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Exness trading account. It's crucial that this account is either a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account, as these are compatible with TradingView. Also, confirm your TradingView account is fully set up and ready to go. Having these basics covered will make the connection process much smoother for you.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's connect. First, open TradingView and navigate to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. From the list of available brokers, select Exness. You will then be prompted to enter your Exness account credentials, including your login and password. Make sure to input these accurately to establish the connection successfully. Once logged in, verify that your Exness account balance and open positions appear directly within TradingView. To confirm full functionality, consider placing a small test trade. This ensures everything is working as expected. With your accounts linked, you can now leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools for your Exness trades.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.